Vocabulary topic: My family. Grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, grandchildren, grandchildren, husband, husband, wife, wife, parents, parents, aunts, aunt, cousins, cousins, uncle, uncle, nephew, nephew, niece, niece. Multi-generational household, multi-generational household. Two-generation family, two-generation family. Future generations, future generation. Contribution, contribution. Breadwinner, breadwinner. Great-grandfather, great-grandfather, great-grandmother, great-grandmother. Ancestors, ancestors. That's all. Thanks for listening and watching my video. Goodbye.